Hi guys, ito pala ang personal technique ko para mabilis ko ma-memorize ang sound ng isang consonant. Okay, so nilalagyan ko ng iyo in between two sounds. Example for this character, kyok. Cover na dito ang initial at saka yung final sound niya na K. So ito yung, di ba? Ito ay may two sound. Ito yung initial at ito naman yung middle sound. Tapos ito yung final sound. Okay, number 2, neon. Tiot, real, meow, piot, shiot, giot, okay, hiot. Aspirated naman, kyok, tiot, piot, shiot. Sa tense, kyok, tiot, piot, shiot, chiot.